This week, Apple released their new operating system, Ventura. Now, on our course, many of us were told, please don't start downloading that yet. We don't know what that will be like, whether it will have breaking changes and you won't be able to use any of our software. And then at the same time, we were using RVM and running a program, bundle install, and it pops up and it says, you are not running the most up-to-date version of Ruby. Please update now. And so we're leading to this confusion of when should you update, when shouldn't you? What are the issues behind this? So that's what I want to talk about. What is RVM and why do we use it? So the shortest answer is that RVM is a version manager. It manages the different versions of Ruby that you have installed on your machine. If you haven't got it installed, then all you do is RVM install and put that version number. And then when you want to use that, on the fly, when you're using a program, RVM use, and you're off. But to really show you and prove that's the case, let's have a look in my home directory and you can see where those are stored. Okay, so we're in my home directory here in the terminal. Let's have a look at what we've got, all these hidden files, and look around for a .rvm file. Right, there we go, that's the one. So let's open that one up and have a look, see what's inside. Right, so looking around, we've got, right, let's have a look in the Ruby section here. And have a look at that in long form. Right, there you go. So there's all the 4 different versions I've downloaded of Ruby. That's all it is. You can also look that up with RVM list rubies. But what about 3.02? What does that actually mean? So you've got the major, the minor, and the patch versions. So at this stage, it's quite self-explanatory. If there's a major change in a program, then there's quite likely there's going to be many different things that have changed there. And so it may not act at all like a previous version. The minor versions may be some small methods that have been included and you may need to watch out for whatever your software is doing. And the patch is merely just small little items that more than likely shouldn't affect your program. So taking a closer look at the gem file of the program we're using currently, take a look near the top there. It says Ruby 3.0.2. So 3 is the major version. Well, our default we were all using was 3 anyway, but there's a more recent version, the patch version 0.2. So that's all it is. And so RVM, all of its task is to load up the version that's going to work with the program you're using. Nothing else.